Good morning, student. Today, in the revenue chapter, we are going to study how to calculate revenue in imperfect competition. My dear student, what is imperfect competition? In imperfect competition, the firm is going to decide a price. You can also say that firm is price maker. Okay, firm is not price taker. Okay, so let's see with the help of the example the different prices I am already given on different units respectively. Okay, so at 20 rupees you have to observe that you have to calculate TR. TR is equal to multiply 20 into 1. Just multiply, my dear student. 20,
16,
36, 48, 56, 60, 60, 56. Okay, this is that is called TR. Okay, on the basis of TR, my dear student, you are going to calculate MR because AR. In this AR, you have to divide output 1, that is 20, 18, 16, 14, 12,
10, 8.
10, 8. You observe, my dear student, price is equal to AR, that P is equal to AR. Now, you have to calculate marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is also calculated on the basis of TR. TR2 minus TR1, that the first one is 20. Okay, 20, 16. Okay, after that 12. How to calculate 12? 48 minus 36. Okay, 56 minus 48. Okay, 8. 8, 4, 0, minus 4. Okay, this is the situation in the marginal revenue. My dear student, have you observe in the marginal revenue that it comes positive to 0. You can also say that the marginal revenue is going to decrease in the negative concern. Okay, come to how to show in the graph behavior. So I am going to draw the graph behavior of marginal revenue and average revenue. Okay, so just find out how to draw. It is a situation of imperfect. Imperfect means you can say that monopoly. Okay, monopolistic, oligopoly. So I am going to take this is a situation of imperfect. So draw the graph of AR and MR. So in this graph you observe that what is the tendency of AR and MR. My dear student, you observe that both AR and MR are going to fall down. Okay, but what is the difference between? Difference is that AR will go in the negative, but sorry, MR will go in the negative, but AR cannot be negative. Why? Because the price cannot be a negative in concern. So draw. First you have to draw, that is MR. From this situation you observe that MR fall down in the negative. Okay, but AR you observe that it will be not be negative, it will fall down, but it cannot be 0 or negative. So you draw AR. This is the AR situation. AR means average revenue. I will explain. Average revenue fall down. Okay, average revenue fall down, but it can not be negative or it cannot be a 0. Why? Because price cannot be negative. Output cannot be 0. Do you understand? Is it possible to the price can be negative or 0? No. So it is a situation of revenue in which AR and MR situation. So it is the output Now I am going to draw the total revenue curve. My dear student, in total revenue curve, you observe that some behaviors of total revenue curve. Let's see what is the behavior. Come to the point. Y-axis, X-axis, TR, that is revenue. Here I am going to take output. Do you observe, my dear student, in which that you observe when AR is maximum and MR is 0. I will explain. When AR is maximum or MR is 0. Let's come to here. Here in this situation, MR is 0, okay, and AR is 60. You observe your total revenue is also 60. So what is the happening in the total revenue? This is the revenue concept, okay. So when you put it this graph this way, this is total revenue concept. You can say that when total revenue is maximum, MR is 0. Okay? When total revenue is maximum, MR is 0. You can also see here that in this graph, when total revenue is maximum, it is going to be diminished. It is going to be fall down. Okay, my dear student, here it is a MR curve, that is marginal revenue. It is a 0 because on the x-axis it crosses, that is a 0 point. Okay, here it is AR curve, in which you can also say that when AR is falling down, when you can also say that AR is falling down, MR is 0 and total revenue is maximum. Okay, so what is the observation, my dear student, in the imperfect competition, my dear student, you have to observe that the different price the seller or producer are selling different number of commodities. Okay, you observe that at 20 rupees he is going to sell one only units only, but at different prices the commodities are, it means you can say that the firm or seller is going to decrease the prices and increase the output. Why? Because it is a situation of imperfect. You can also say that it is a monopolistic, in which the firm is going to decide a price, or firm is a price maker. Okay, that is why. So whatever the graphical position, you have to see that in the graph behavior when TR is maximum. See, when TR is maximum, MR is 0. TR is maximum, that is on the peak point, the MR means marginal revenue is 0 and average revenue is falling down. Okay, thank you, my dear student. Hope you have to understand this topic.